For this video, we are comparing Invideo and Fliki, two tools that will bring video creation to a new level. If you're after a tool that delivers quality, speed, and customization, Invideo is tough to beat. So let's compare or let's explore each tool so you can see which one suits your needs. Let's dive into Invideo first, a tool designed to streamline professional quality video creation. So for the first feature of InVideo, this has or they provide over 5,000 video templates made specifically for marketing, video media, and more. And you can create videos that look professional even on a tight timeline. Next is its text to video. So InVideo's text to video feature lets you turn scripts, blog posts, and other text into engaging videos. So just paste the text and then InVideo does the rest. Next one is its premium media library. So InVideo offers over 1 million stock videos, images, and also audio tracks, giving you plenty of variety without needing external resources. Next one is its HD or high quality export. So you can export HD or in HD plus it has different aspect ratios for different social media platforms. So your videos always look polished and ready for any platform. So next is its customization and branding. So within video, you have the flexibility to adjust colors, fonts, overlays, and also animations to stay consistent with your brand style. And also InVideo supports real-time collaboration with your teams, which is perfect again for teams working remotely or on group projects. Now, for the pros of this tool, again, it has professional quality templates that save time, and also it has extensive media library and high quality exports, and you have full control over the customization, making it easy to brand. And finally, its text to video feature, which is very helpful when you are creating videos with a limited time. Now, for the cons of this tool, so some of the premium features require a paid plan. So as you can see right here, these are sample of the paid plans that you can have. And it is not ideal for voice AI or text-to-speech specific projects. Now let's look at Fliki. This tool is known for its text-to-speech or TTS and creating voice-based content. So for its feature, again, it has text-to-speech capabilities. So Fliki's main feature is its TTS engine, which can turn text into audio and sync it with visuals. So this is great if you need to have or you need quick automated voiceovers. So next, Fliki supports a wide range of voices and languages, making it very useful for creators working with multilingual content. And Fliki can also combine text-to-speech with simple visuals, making it fit for those who need basic voice-first video. So this is a sample that I have, or project that I have created here in Fliki. And next great feature here in Fliki is its media library. So you'll be able to have access to different medias like stock videos, images, though the library isn't as expansive as in videos. So Fliki can also summarize long text and create short voice-driven videos, making it good for creating content summaries or social media snippets. Now, for the pros of Fliki, it has again a strong TTS feature with many voices and languages, which is very good for quick voice-driven videos. And it can be very helpful for multilingual support, which is again very helpful for diverse audience. Now, for the cons of this tool, it has limited video customization options. So also the templates and media library are more basic than in video. So these are the sample of those templates, and the video quality and export settings aren't as robust as in video. So which one should you go for? So InVideo is perfect if you're looking to create professional, visually engaging videos with lots of control over design, media, and brand elements. So it's made for those who need quality and flexibility in their video content. Now, Fliki is useful if you are or if your priority is quick, voice-driven content and text-to-speech. It is great for audio-focused projects, but it has fewer options for creating visually rich videos. So if you're serious about creating standout videos with maximum flexibility, Invideo is your best, and you can sign up for a free account using the link below to try it out for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you next time.